and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter quality information. We left off under the contacts interface. We get to drag our mouse through the quality. Once on the quality interface, for us to add particular quality task we carried out, we get to click on the plus sign at the bottom, and this interface will pop up. So, for instance, I had performed any of the maintenance tasks in the previous days or weeks. I get to select which maintenance task I had carried out. In this case, I said I cleaned the optics. And who did this? Who carried out this task? Let's say operator 5 or operator 3. And when was this task executed? Let's say operator 3 cleaned the optics on the 13th of February. After we enter that information, we get to save the interface. And there you have it. The information has been registered. It's as simple as that. You can also add more than one task depending on which day you carried them out. For instance, if we did a reboot of the GeneXpert machine, clean the fan filter on the same day, you can also enter that information by clicking the two boxes or 3 boxes, and save the information. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.